What's up, guys? Liberty Tech here, back with another video. I'm here to do a quick unboxing on the Spigen case for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, as you know, the camera cutout for the iPhone 14 is rather large, so it's not going to fit your iPhone 13 or even 12 cases. So I went with something simple. I have other cases coming in that I will be doing unboxing for. So this is just a regular clear case for the Spigen. I recommend usually going clear, especially if you have a nice color on your phone, like a different color you want it to stand out. The clear case is always the way to go. Even if you skin your phone, you have extra protection and people can still see that customization. So what we have in the simple packaging, we have lens and screen cleaning wipes. And yeah, not much going on here. Basically, just slip it on and you're good to go. There you go. Nice and easy. Compared to this, this is not Spigen, this is another company. But I might get a MagSafe case for this one as well. So you can see the camera difference and how it sticks out further this way. Hopefully the iPhone 15 won't extend out further. You know, they might as well just take up this whole back right here. No, I'm just calling it. I don't know what Apple's gonna do next. But yeah, that's it for this, like I said, quick unboxing of the Spigen case. It gets the job done. You have easy access to your volume up and down. As long as it clicks, I always say it's good. Easy access to your volume rocker. Your mute switch. Down here you have your speaker cutout and your lightning port cutout there, power button, and then you have your nice Spigen logo there, and some other stuff going on up here. Air cushion technology. There you have it, guys. Air cushion technology. So, okay guys, thanks for watching this quick video. Give this video a thumbs up, it truly helps. Subscribe if you want to, more videos to come on this device, and peace out.